Hey Rain fam, I was going to go ahead and show you how to upload your picture to I think it's Kleki, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, website, and how to kind of start playing with it and editing it. If there's a different app you want to use that you like using better, you can. If you want to draw your artwork, you can. This is the website that I found that is easiest to use. There is also an extension for it, so it's up to you. But I'm going to type in Kleki, and I'm just going to search it. It should be the very first one that pops up. It's called Paint Tool, Kleki Paint Tool. So you'll click it, and once you do that, you're going to get, I'm going to move my picture over so that you all can see. You should get a blank white page, and there should be all of these buttons and think of them as your art supplies over to the right. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go up to the top and you're going to click import image. When you do that, you should be able to open up your pictures that are on your computer. And I'm just going to use a picture of my face. You should have your picture that you did in a Kahindi pose. So I'm going to import it. And if you look, my picture is now where the white space used to be. Now is when you can start editing and kind of experimenting with the tools over here to the right. So the size of your brush, you can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. I'm going to get rid of that really quick. So here's my advice for getting rid of your background. I'm going to pick I think that size brush is pretty good. I don't want to be able to see through the brush, but you can see that there's different types of brushes. There's some that are like, it almost is like a square brush tip. There's some that look kind of like spray paint. There's one that's a square. I'm going to use the normal round one that you cannot see through. You can also change that up later on in your design too if you want to be able to like see through it. But I don't want to for blocking out my background. So I'm going to start off with white. And I'm going to go around first. And I'm going to take the background and just paint over it. Now, obviously, mine is not perfect because I'm definitely rushing. But once I have the outline of my picture done, I'm going to go back and I'm going to color it in. I'm just going to keep it white. Whoops. I kind of messed up my line there, but I'm going to just leave it for now. And then what I can do is I can start using my brushes to make a pattern in the background. So I think I want like a pinkish color. Let's go with that. I can do a pattern where I do polka dots. And this can be the start of my pattern. This could be like the first layer of my pattern, just polka dots. After I do my polka dots, I could go over it and add in other designs. If you look, we talked about this in our meeting this week. A lot of his artwork has floral patterns in the background, so there's a lot of flowers. So if you want to add flowers to yours, the main goal here is just kind of experiment, play, and add a cool background to your picture. Keep in mind that yours should not just be a picture of your face. Yours should be a picture of you doing a Kahinde Wiley pose. You can take the picture on your Chromebook and then upload it the way I just did. If you want, you can use an iPad and email it to yourself, however you want to take the picture. But I just wanted to show you guys how to use the Kleki paint tool where you can draw on your background.